The Creole language is far more than a communication tool for Haitians. It is a core part of identity, a cultural anchor, and a living connection to history, family, and community. For Haitian children growing up abroad, learning Creole is essential because it keeps them rooted in who they are and where they come from. When a child loses their mother tongue, they lose access to the stories, humor, values, and worldview that shaped generations before them. Creole is the key to understanding Haitian music, proverbs, its spirituality, and traditions that cannot be fully translated into English, French, or any other language. Speaking Creole also strengthens a child's confidence because it reminds them that they belong to a resilient, creative, and proud people on a family level. The language allows children to communicate deeply with grandparents, aunts, uncles, and relatives who may not speak other languages, preserving emotional bonds and avoiding misunderstandings. On a cognitive level, bilingual or trilingual children develop stronger mental flexibility, better problem-solving skills, and a broader cultural awareness, advantages that follow them throughout school and into their careers. And for Haiti's future, having a diaspora that speaks the national language is a tremendous asset. It makes collaboration easier, encourages cultural participation, and strengthens the bridge between Haitians abroad and Haitians at home. A child who speaks Creole can travel to Haiti, understand the country's reality, feel at home there, and one day contribute to its development. Ultimately, teaching Creole to Haitian children abroad is not just about vocabulary, it is about preserving identity, honoring heritage, and passing down a sense of pride that should never fade, even thousands of miles away from Port-au-Prince, Cap-Haïtien, or Jérémie. It is a gift parents give their children, and a gift those children will one day give back to Haiti.